Horses out, we have Tiger Run, fast to begin, down on the inside, Calibaro Kid, The Rock, then followed by Major, E-Box, and Flawless, sees the early trailer, we have Tiger Run, the leader, by about 4 lengths, Major in second, and in third, The Rock, 2 lengths, so in fourth, Calibaro Kid, E-Box, and Flawless is racing in less, and it's still Tiger Run, this time, high balling in front, leads by some 7 lengths, Major in second, and 4 lengths, so in third, The Rock, then comes Calibaro Kid, E-Box, and Flawless, and it's still Tiger Run by about 4 lengths, Major remains in second, trying to get closer now, in third is The Rock, then followed by Calibaro Kid, E-Box, and Flawless, and it's still Tiger Run by about 4 lengths, and in second is Major, then here comes The Rock, now coming closer in second, Tiger Run by only 4 lengths, then here comes The Rock, now moving up on the outside, Tiger Run still in front, Dalag is on the outside second, and as they come down at the last 150, Tiger Run by only a length and a half, The Rock moves up to take the lead. It's now The Rock, followed by Tiger Run in second, and in third, E-Box. Last 75 meters, we have The Rock, now this time by about 5 lengths, and finally The Rock. Second is Tiger Run, E-Box, Calibaro Kid, Flawless, and Major.